At CNA, we believe it's our responsibility to be a good corporate citizen. We want to help people to help themselves make a difference to their lives. Our support is focused on children, and that's why we finance a range of relevant initiatives in many countries. Let's have a look at some good examples of CNA's commitment and contribution to social projects. Since 1999, we've been cooperating with the child welfare organisation Terre des Hommes, which among other things promotes school and education in various countries. In 1999, a vocational school centre was set up in the Indian textile city of Tirupur. CNA started with this project and similar initiatives elsewhere because we think that children should not be working in the textile industry. Instead, they should be receiving proper education and training for an independent life. The Don Bosco School Centre for Former Child Workers offers vocational training to 120 girls and 120 boys. All the children have previously worked in various industries, including the textile industry, for a number of years. At the Vocational Training Centre, they learn to read and write and become tailors, mechanics, electricians or plumbers. The school governing body engages with public authorities in Tirupur to try to prevent any exploitation of children and to plead for better public schools. It also works with employers in the city to help find suitable employment opportunities for the graduates of the Vocational Training Centre. Because of our support for Terre des Hommes and the implementation of our Code of Conduct in the textile chain, child labour is almost a thing of the past in the export sector in Tirupur. Since we are already in India, let's show you another example of our initiatives for social development, this time in the farming region of Indora. As CNA becomes more involved in the early parts of the supply chain, we are increasingly involved in projects which focus on economic, social and environmental issues at farm level. That's why we help to put education and health programs into practice and why we assist in running orphanages in India and also in several other countries. The CNA Initiative for Social Development, or CISD, participates in the entire planning and implementation of these projects. We provide the initial financial assistance for the launch and any necessary subsequent funding. CISD sees the work it does as a catalyst for positive change on the ground. In Tirupur, we're a partner of the Tirupur Social Service Organisation, or TISO. TISO runs the Learning Hearts High School, a free high school, an orphanage, a free vocational training centre and a children's hospital nearby. Since the start of this work, more than 100 similar projects have been completed. More than 3,500 children have either already benefited or continue to benefit from the opportunity of a primary or secondary education in schools which were built as part of our corporate giving activities. More than 2,000 young people have had or continue to have the chance of a vocational training in order to prepare them for eventual employment. Approximately 550 children are housed in orphanages which have been constructed using CISD funds. Numerous health programs, including a mobile outpatient health station and the construction of 2 hospitals, ensure the provision of medical care. We also support local well construction projects to safeguard the supply of drinking water and many other useful aid programs. The CNA Initiative for Social Development aims to gradually help improve the living conditions in the regions concerned over the long term, empowering local people to take more control over their own lives. This remains a long-term focus and commitment of CISD, financially, personally, and with compassion. Thank you for watching.